Hello, and welcome to Season 4 of the Nimble Solution. So it's been about 30 days since I have created a video. My LinkedIn connections have grown considerably. If this is the first time you've seen a video, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for watching this video. Thank you for connecting with me. If you'd like to subscribe, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I produce more videos like this and how to use Nimble and create unique things. When I started this journey, it was really just to criticize and poke fun at some of the JavaScript frameworks, Agile practices, and things that I've noticed in the industry, and how these best practices aren't really working as best as they should be. As this project has moved forward, I have been able to migrate a native code application to JavaScript and build what you're seeing today, the Nimble IDE. This IDE is pure JavaScript, but it behaves like a desktop application. It has a runtime called the NimbleJS that I have worked on my part as a part-time project over the last 5+ years, and I hope to eventually launch it soon. So what have I been doing for the past 30 days? As I promised, I used to build a design platform, and I have made a promise that with every iteration of things that I build and prototype in these videos, I will be able to build bigger, better, and faster things. So in the past 30 days, I have stood up 4 Node.js servers. I've completely migrated my home server to a Node.js platform. I've built 2 application servers and 1 build server. The point of the build server is to allow me to offer this IDE free, so anybody who wants to play around with it and build things directly and live, you'll be able to build them on the server without exposing any of my top secret source. Before I get into the demo for today, I just want to give you a layout of what I have created as far as the servers are concerned. The home server, which is NimbleIDE.com, will accept requests, allow you to log in, and then it will immediately bounce you to a Heroku Dynamo that will spin up and allow you to execute any Nimble apps, play any Nimble games, or whatever you may create with Nimble. The free version of Nimble, which I'm going to demonstrate in a minute, will connect to this build server and allow you to build applications and test them. So without further ado, this is the fully registered version of Nimble. And if you look at my last video, it was the one where I batch build all 12 of these applications, including this calculator. As you can see, Nimble is an IDE very similar to old school Visual Studio. You can drag drop components. You have a properties list so that you can set any of the property styles and information on any element that you lay into the dialog. And you can control an HTML page as if it was a native code operating system. Nimble also binds to several free libraries. It's extendable to as new libraries are created free on the web. You can then link them in and make them components within the Nimble platform. And I have a ton of components that are already available. So this is the fully registered version or unlimited version of the Nimble platform. And what I'm going to show you right now is the free version that I will be releasing to the public, and I hope the next 30 days. So if we close this app, you'll see on my desktop, I have Nimble version 5.0 free. This version has a user authentication. The best part about this allows me to manage all the sessions of anyone who will want to use it and create applications. It's logging you into the main server and then immediately bouncing you to one of the application servers. The same intro you will notice that it is customized based on your login, and I will open up the same project that I just showed you, and I will build one of those projects on the build server. Everything about the application should behave the same. Some of the features are disabled. Some of the more advanced features are disabled. You will not be able to build web components or any of the high-end build functionality that is part of the marketing ploy to get you to support the project. but you will be able to see exactly how Nimble works as a development tool. So here's our calculator app that I just loaded in the previous version, and we're going to build this guy. Simply press F5. And I've taken some time to improve the build interface. You'll notice you can select a build server. I only have one up currently in Heroku. I can manage up to 5 for free, so I could easily add 2 more build servers if the number of users, starts to increase and this thing starts to take off. So we're going to build a calculator app. You select the previous web project. I've built this before, so it's already in the list. It will highlight this. You can highlight and select all the dialogues you want to include in this project, and you simply select build. At this point, Nimble is going out to that build server, uploading this entire project. It built it, and it told you it's done. So in that very fast amount of time, you see that we have a complete project built on the server. Now we can preview the project, download the main.js file, or download the entire zipped project if you want. So we're going to download the zip first. You'll see it connect to the server, downloads the zip. Now we have that in the download folder, and then we're going to preview it. Nimble is like I said, behaves like a desktop or an operating system, so you have multiple desktops within the platform. I took a great bit of time making sure that the memory management on this guy was just as it would be on a desktop. What you're seeing here is we're on desktop 2. We opened up a Nimble dialog, and inside an iframe, we're running your application that you just built from that server. It's running on that build server. So if we click on the icon, you'll see the calculator started, and we're technically running basically Nimble within Nimble so that you can preview the application that you've just built. Once you're done, you can close down this application. If you close down this main window, this is your version of Nimble. You come back to your application desktop and you can continue editing, revise your code, or keep building your application. I wanted to demonstrate this startup season 4 and hopefully impress you as to what a single developer can create in 30 days using the Builder Design Platform, rapid application development, and the Nimble solution. There's more to come. Thank you for watching.